So here, if we want to try to change a mixed radical into an entire radical, we first have to understand what those mean. Mixed radical just means that you've got a coefficient out in front. Entire radical means everything's inside your root. So something like the square root of 45 would be an entire radical. So if you think about that, think back to this one first. 6 root 3. How would I convert that thing into an entire radical? If there's a coefficient of 6 out front, how would you change that into an entire radical? Good. So I'd multiply 6 by itself. So it'd be like root 3 times 6 times 6. And again, the reason is because that group of two sixes, that's what I'd be pulling out otherwise. So what is 3 times 6 times 6? So this thing would simply turn into the square root of 108. Okay? Then let's try the same deal with negative 4 and root 7. If I try to convert that thing into an entire radical, what would I have to multiply by itself inside here? Not a 4 and a 4, but a negative 4 and a negative 4. So if you do that, if I try to convert this thing into an entire radical, I mean, I could go either 4 times 7 and leave the negative outside here. If I do that, what's 4 times 7? 112. So negative 112. Okay. So that's fine. But this thing is still actually a mixed radical because what do you assume is right after this negative here? A 1. So it's actually still a mixed radical. So I can't really leave it in that form. So what I have to do is try to pull that negative in. But as soon as you have a negative inside there, that's trouble. So this thing actually can't be done. Okay? Because again, we cannot pull that that negative inside, and if you leave it outside, it's still a mixed radical. So that's as far as you can take it.